Yo, 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 what's up, blockheads? Leaving Orlando Harley-Davidson, and I got a question for you guys. Yeah, wouldn't it be annoying if I did that voice like all the time? Alright, it's gonna be a quick episode, because like I said, got a question for you guys. Okay, so here's the earth. Okay, so quick episode. So I've been tossing the idea back and forth about gaming. Now, I know there's probably a good amount of you guys out there that don't care at all. But on the other hand, I know that there's a good amount of you guys out there that play video games. Now, I used to be pretty heavy into video games. I used to be really good at video games. I mean, I'm not like tooting my own horn and stuff. I don't brag about things normally, but if I'm confident, I will let you know. And so first-person shooters were totally my jam, right? I forget which Call of Duty it was, but there was this mode called Gun Game, right? And it was basically like the first person through 20 different guns. So like you start off with like a knife or something, and like the first person, like you get a kill with the knife, you basically progress to the next gun. So the first person through all the guns basically won, right? And dude, I would destroy in that game. So I've got a love for first-person shooters, you know, from like Call of Duty to Battlefield to wow, traffic sucks. Yeah, from Call of Duty to Battlefield to Halo. I would say Battlefield is probably my more favorite game. I used to be real big into Call of Duty, but I don't know, just something about the new Battlefields that kind of took over. I really like them. So my question to you guys is, if I were to start up doing video game streaming, say like once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks or so, is that something that you guys would be interested in? And you could actually possibly like join in, you know, on the games. My platform of choice is usually Xbox, so I'm sure there's a couple of you Xbox gamers out there. But I haven't had Xbox Gold in probably almost close to a year now, just because, you know, I haven't played video games in a long time. I'm sure you guys have picked up by like the editing in my videos and stuff. A lot of you guys noticed that I use the Fallout transition screen, that please stand by, because I freaking love Fallout. Man, Bethesda, they absolutely killed it with those games. So I forget which Fallout it was. I want to say it was Fallout 3 and New Vegas. Like, I freaking love that game. So that's where the transition screens come from that says like please stand by. But yeah, other than that, I mean, first person shooters all the way. Now Anna and Aaron are basically all about the idea, and they're pushing for me to do like a, wow, that teddy bear is it's kind of creeping me out. Yeah, Anna and Aaron, they like that Battlefield as well, but they're on PlayStation. Now traditionally I have not been on PlayStation because, you know, me and my brothers played video games a ton growing up. I mean, it was like, if we weren't outside doing something, you know, like if we had to be inside, if it was like raining or whatever, we were basically like really always super competitive. And that was back in Nintendo 64 days, you know, so we were like playing GoldenEye, Mario Kart 64, Super Smash Brothers. Holy hell, man, we had so many competitions at Super Smash, and I was undefeated for the longest time until one day my brother beat me and he never played me again. But yeah, like I grew up playing video games. I've got an appreciation for them. I understand that some people do think that it's just like a waste of time, which I can understand that. But at the same time, how does that saying go? Oh man, I forget how that saying goes. It's like, I want to say it's by like John Lennon or something like that. Time that you enjoy wasting is not wasted time, or something like that. Something along those lines. Anyways, I mean, I'm a gamer through and through.
It was probably more like this. No sir, man, I don't like that crap. I'm a rocker, dude, through and through.
I played on you know, Counter-Strike back in the day on PC. Friggin' had a Nintendo, had a Super Nintendo, had a Sega. I've played video games since I was a kid. So You guys let me know if that would be something that would interest you guys, you know, if I were to start up like a Twitch stream. Because I think that's how people do it, right? They Twitch stream. And the way that I'm thinking about it is, you know, every now and then, I mean, I don't really have downtime. But there are times that I could like basically make for being able to play. Because I do kind of miss it. Went over to Anna and Aaron's a while back and was playing some Battlefield, and, you know, it kind of made me miss it. So I was thinking maybe, you know, like one day a week, you know, I would get online and play. And if some of you guys were up for it, you know, you could join in and we could squad up and wreck some nerds, bro. Yeah, I don't know. I just think that'd be cool, you know. And it'd be cool because it'd be a way to like interact with you guys. So I just think that'd be pretty neat. Anyways, you guys drop your thoughts below. Let me know what y'all think. Obviously, if you're not a gamer, you probably don't care about this at all, so it probably doesn't pertain to you. But yeah, it's just something that I'm considering doing maybe like one day a week, you know? Like one night a week. Probably like Saturday night or Sunday nights, something like that. But yeah, you guys drop your thoughts down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if that's something that would interest you and if you'd join up. Traffic is sucky. Toasty! Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, hit subscribe. Hit that bell icon so it sends you notifications. Hit that share button. Sharing is caring. Also, that elf. Super creepy. Till next time, you guys ride safe out there. Stay vigilant. We'll catch y'all later. Peace. Oh, I can't wait to get an exhaust on this bike.